If you're looking for something easy, cute, and festive to make this holiday season, you've got to make these adorable reindeer brownies. All you need is to make any kind of brownie mix that you'd like, or if you have like your favorite brownie recipe from scratch, mix that all up, follow the directions as per the package, bake as per the package, and then I like to use a small cookie tray so that I can make the brownies into rectangle shape. But of course, you can do any shape that you'd like. You can even use a regular brownie tin. But once they're out of the oven, cut the brownies into whatever shape that you'd like. And then you'll need a little bit of melted chocolate or even some icing so that you can glue on the pretzels and the M&Ms. And then that's it. They're super easy, super cute. Happy holidays.